Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. How to fix a sticky hood latch, regain smooth operation. When driving, the safety of your vehicle is paramount, and one key component that ensures this is the hood latch. Responsible for securing the hood in place, a properly functioning hood latch is crucial to prevent any unexpected hood openings while on the road. However, encountering issues such as a free-sticking hood latch can pose a significant safety concern that needs immediate attention. A free-sticking hood latch refers to a latch that fails to engage properly, leading to the hood not securely closing. This problem can arise due to various factors, including wear and tear, lack of maintenance, or debris buildup in the latch mechanism. Addressing this issue promptly is essential to avoid any potential hazards while driving. In this video, we will delve into the importance of hood latches in vehicle safety, the potential risks associated with a free-sticking hood latch, and practical solutions to resolve this issue effectively. Stay tuned to learn more about how to ensure your hood latch is in optimal working condition to keep you safe on the road. Understanding hood latches. Hood latches play a crucial role in ensuring the safety of a vehicle and its occupants. Understanding the different types of hood latches and their importance can help drivers appreciate the significance of this often overlooked component. Primary types of hood latches. In the realm of hood latch mechanisms, two primary types stand out: the traditional latch systems and the more modern latch mechanisms. Traditional latch systems often consist of a simple hood latch that secures the hood in place when closed. On the other hand, modern latch mechanisms employ advanced technologies such as electromagnetic latches or safety catch systems to enhance food security. This evolution in hood latch technology reflects the industry's commitment to improving vehicle safety and performance. Importance of well-functioning hood latches. Well-functioning hood latches are essential for maintaining the integrity of a vehicle's safety features. A malfunctioning hood latch can lead to detrimental consequences, such as the hood unexpectedly opening while driving, obstructing the driver's view, or even detaching entirely, posing a severe safety hazard to both the driver and passengers. Ensuring that hood latches are in optimal working condition is paramount to avoid such risks and uphold the overall safety of the vehicle. By grasping the significance of hood latches and the advancements in latch technology, drivers can better appreciate the critical role these components play in vehicle safety. Prioritizing regular maintenance and inspections of hood latches can help mitigate potential safety hazards and ensure a secure driving experience for all road users. Free-sticking hood latch. When it comes to your vehicle's hood latch, it must function properly to ensure the safety and security of your car. A free-sticking hood latch refers to a latch mechanism that is not closing securely or is experiencing issues that prevent it from latching properly. This can pose serious risks such as the hood unexpectedly opening while driving, obstructing your view, and potentially leading to accidents. Symptoms of a free-sticking hood latch. Signs that your hood latch may be sticking or not functioning correctly include the hood not closing securely even after multiple attempts, the hood popping open while driving, or hearing unusual noises when trying to shut the hood. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's essential to address the issue promptly to prevent any safety hazards. Causes of hood latch sticking. Several factors can contribute to a hood latch sticking. One common reason is the accumulation of rust over time, which can interfere with the latch mechanism's proper operation. Debris such as dirt, leaves, or other particles can also get stuck in the latch, causing it to malfunction. Additionally, wear and tear or mechanical issues within the latch system can lead to sticking problems. To prevent your hood latch from sticking, it's recommended to regularly clean and lubricate the latch mechanism to remove any dirt or rust buildup. Inspecting the latch for any signs of wear and tear and addressing them promptly can help maintain the proper functioning of the latch. Ensuring that your hood latch is in good condition is essential for your safety on the road. By being aware of the symptoms and causes of a free-sticking hood latch and taking preventive measures, you can help avoid potential risks associated with a malfunctioning hood latch. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to any issues can go a long way in keeping your vehicle safe and secure. Addressing a free-sticking hood latch. Addressing a free-sticking hood latch is crucial for your vehicle's safety and functionality. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you troubleshoot and fix common hood latch issues. DIY troubleshooting and fixes. Dealing with a hood latch that's sticking or not latching properly can be frustrating, but with some DIY troubleshooting, you can often resolve the issue. Here are some simple steps to follow. 1. Inspection. Start by examining the latch mechanism for any visible signs of dirt, rust, or damage. Clean the latch with a mild detergent and lubricate it with a silicone spray to ensure smooth operation. 2. Adjustment. If the hood latch is misaligned, you may need to adjust its position to ensure proper engagement. Use a wrench to loosen the mounting bolts and reposition the latch accordingly. Make sure the latch aligns with the hood striker for a secure fit. 3. Safety precautions. Safety should always come first. Before working on the hood latch, ensure the engine is off and the vehicle is parked on a flat surface. Use protective gear such as gloves and safety glasses to prevent injuries. Professional assistance and maintenance. While DIY fixes can address minor hood latch issues, complex problems may require professional assistance. Here's why seeking professional help is important. 1. Expertise. Professional mechanics have the knowledge and experience to diagnose and repair intricate hood latch issues effectively. They can identify underlying problems that DIY methods might overlook. 2. Preventive maintenance. Regular inspections and maintenance by professionals can help prevent latch issues before they escalate. Periodic checks can catch potential problems early on, saving you time and money in the long run. Peace of mind. By entrusting your vehicle to a skilled technician, you can have peace of mind knowing that your hood latch is in good hands. Professional maintenance ensures the safety and reliability of your vehicle. Remember, addressing a freesticking hood latch promptly is essential for your safety on the road. Whether you opt for DIY troubleshooting or seek professional assistance, maintaining a functional hood latch is key to the overall performance of your vehicle. Preventive measures for hood latch maintenance. Taking proactive steps to maintain your vehicle's hood latch can help prevent sticking issues in the future. By following these preventive measures, you can ensure smooth operation and longevity of your hood latch. Regular cleaning and lubrication. Keeping your hood latch clean and well lubricated is crucial for preventing sticking problems. Dirt, grime and debris can accumulate over time, leading to friction and hindering the latch's movement. To avoid this, regularly clean the hood latch using a mild detergent and water solution. Be sure to dry it thoroughly before applying a suitable lubricant. Opt for a silicone-based lubricant as it provides long-lasting protection against rust and corrosion while ensuring smooth functioning. Periodic inspection and testing. Regular inspection and testing of your hood latch are essential to catch any issues early on and prevent potential malfunctions. Inspect the latch visually for any signs of wear, rust, or misalignment. Test the latch by opening and closing the hood to ensure it operates smoothly without any sticking or resistance. Create a checklist to guide you during inspections, including checking for loose bolts, alignment, and the condition of the latch mechanism. By conducting these checks periodically, you can detect problems early and address them promptly, avoiding costly repairs down the line. After exploring the significance of a functioning hood latch in ensuring vehicle safety, it becomes evident that addressing any sticking latch issues promptly is essential. Neglecting such issues could lead to hazardous consequences on the road. By taking proactive measures to maintain a properly functioning hood latch, drivers can mitigate the risk of accidents caused by unexpected hood openings while driving. From understanding the root causes of sticking hood latches to the preventive maintenance tips shared in this article, freesticking a small issue like a sticking latch can have significant implications on overall road safety. The safety of both the driver and other road users should never be compromised due to negligence or oversight. Finally, staying vigilant and proactive in addressing any sticking hood latch concerns is not just about preserving the condition of the vehicle, but also about prioritizing safety on the roads. By incorporating regular checks and immediate action when issues arise, drivers can uphold a standard of safety that benefits not only themselves, but the entire community of road users. Remember, proper maintenance and regular inspection of your hood latch can prevent future problems and ensure the safety and functionality of your vehicle. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.